the bribery allegations against Sinovac affect the government's plan to buy vaccine closest doses from the Chinese firm? Is the government concerned given the accusations involve alleged bribery of regulators?
Well, consistent po tayo na papayagan lang natin magamit ang mga bakuna na napatunayan ng ligtas at mabisa laban sa COVID-19. Buong-buo po ang tiwala ni Presidente kay Dr. Domingo. So pagdating po dyan sa mga allegations on bribery, tingin ko po hindi mangyayari yan sa Pilipinas.
Thank you, Secretary.
Thank you, Yusek. Joseph Morong, please.
Sir, good afternoon. Sir, sa vaccine, no, status check tayo. And I asked this question in the context of news na yung Canada will also have Pfizer and they will start distributing this. Tapos yung mga Indonesia is ready to receive yung delivery. Status check tayo, sir. What vaccines ang meron na tayong signed commitment for delivery? And how many doses are those? And kailan yung pag-deliver? So far, ang alam natin yung AstraZeneca has committed to 2.6 billion doses.
2.5 ata.
And Sinovac, you said.
Oo. Well, so far, ang alam ko po is Sinovac. Hindi ko po dala yung ating timeline, pero sa susunod, dadaling ko po. Pero ang punto lang is, pagdating po ng first quarter, magsisimula na rin po tayo ng pagbabakuna.